Hello, this is Tim Massey. I'm the director of the Tower Gallery at the college, and welcome to the collection room. And this is where the E.E. Cummings works are stored. Okay, and so these are the vertical stacks. So this is what two-dimensional artwork that is framed or on canvas. This is where they are housed so that they are protected. And in this bay, we have a full bay of E.E. Cummings works, landscapes, still life studies, abstract works. Cummings was considered a mimicker of the styles of the day when he was young. Okay, in the flat files, we have area to protect the works, the E.E. Cummings works that have not been restored. Cummings was known for not really working on archival material. So here is a painting that has been done on shirt cardboard, which is highly acidic and has some areas of loss where the surface is actually decaying. Well, this is stored actually both in the flat file and in a non-acidic container so that this maintains their integrity and stops the decay process. Mostly what the enemy of art is light, but also humidity. So this room is using an archival light, and it's also has humidity control. So anything that we can do to protect work, that's what we do.